wait, Norman. This is Station 6. We have a tornado on the ground.
Station 6, May 10th, 2010, Alameda and 72nd. Looking back to the south, we've got a tornado on the ground.
Yeah, I filmed it too. Look at that.
We got one coming down. Oh! I've got it on film. Look at that. We've got one trying to come down even more.
Right across there.
Look at that debris. We've got debris picking up. Look at that. That's awesome. There it goes. There it goes. Look at it. You see the debris down low? The tornado is on the ground. That's awesome! I love it!
Look at that.
That is the coolest thing in the world. We're going to have a lot of damage south of Alameda.
Oh, yeah.
You talked to Dick? We got rain starting to pick up. This tornado's already passed to the east of us. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen. That's beautiful.
Good eye.
Well, I saw debris getting stirred up over there to the west. This thing is growing, man.
Yeah, it is.
That's awesome, man. It started right over there. We're looking east down Alameda from Station 6.
Yeah, that thing's tripled in size since we started watching it.
It just keeps getting bigger.